What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to my tiny garage. I remounted my Widebody kit, well, the back part of it at least, in my last video, which I will link up here somewhere. And well, all the glue had some time to dry, so now it is time to be working it onto the car again with some putty. So I had a crack running, well, I still have the crack, from here all the way down to the bottom. So I grabbed some cutting disc for my Dremel tool, so I can cut that crack out, so I can get some fresh putty in there and it's less likely to maybe crack again, I don't know, but I know I will have to widen that crack up to be able to bodywork it again. So that's the plan today. Gonna clean everything up, get everything ready for the putty. The glue, well, the silicone that's over, I'm gonna sand off a little bit so I can lay some fresh putty here also and maybe start working on the bumper, but I'm not too sure about that because the bumper will likely need to come off. So we're gonna be starting by cutting that open and sanding all the glue residue off. This will be going very quickly, just a small part, and with the cutting disc on the Dremel, well, it will take quick care of it.
How careless we be. All day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, open when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
I got done with removing the silicone, got it cut out off camera. I also did a bit of cutting on this part because I noticed the line going from top to bottom, so I cut that open so I can re-putty that. And well, I found a crack over here, so that will also be needed to address. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix up some putty and lay in the first layer, and that will be the base to work on further. And well, I mentioned before I wouldn't be tackling the bumper today, but as I'm busy anyway, I'm gonna lay some putty on that.
Now I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we
Got everything worked on with the putty except the small crack I had here. I kind of forgot about that, but got everything giving one first layer. So I'm now gonna let this dry. I come back when it's ready to get sanded.
A few moments later.
I was already sanding a little bit off camera. Well, I don't really feel anyone would want to see me sit around sanding all day. I will throw a few clips in of me sanding, but well, I already started just to see that everything is sanding nicely, that the putty is nice and dry. And it is, so I can go on, continue sanding. This is only the first layer of putty that's done. I always lay the first one very wide, very thick, just to have a bit more play when sanding to get the shape right. And then the next layers will always be thinner and thinner, and I hope I can fix this with 3 to maybe 4 layers of putty. But let's get on to the sanding.
Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled. It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we
Well guys, as you saw, with one more layer of putty. This won't be the last one, but I think this is the last with this type of putty. I think the next layer will be the fine putty. This was filler, the other one is, well, finisher putty. I don't know how I need to call it. But yeah, this is all I've got time for today, so I do not have the time anymore to wait till it dries and sand it again. So it's gonna be like this for a bit. Well, festivities coming up, so time is short, but next video I'm gonna finish the backside. I'm pretty sure that's doable. So as always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below on what you might want to see on this channel, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of my videos. But guys, I will see you the day after Christmas, but for now, I'm out.